What's up, everybody? This your boy King Hussle, and yes, this is my new YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell. So whenever I drop new sauce, new lessons, new methods, and giveaways, you'll be the first one to be notified. You'll be the first one to know what's going on, and hey, you might be the first one to win something for free. So make sure you subscribe, hit the all notification bell on all the YouTube channels. I'm talking this one right here, King Hussle, King Hussle 2.0, King Hussle X1M, King Hussle reaction videos, turn motivation into millions, the Hussle family. Also, make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms. All you gotta do is click the title on every video. Once you click the title on every video, at the bottom in the description, all my social media links will pop up. So there's no way for you guys to keep getting scammed by these fake King Hussle pages. My Instagram page is not King Hussle on YouTube. I don't got 60,000 followers, none of that. It's King Hussle X1M and the real King Hussle X1M. The first two links in the description below. So there's no reason for you guys to get scammed by any of these fake pages. If any King Hussle page writes you, or on IG or inboxes you, just randomly starts following you, saying, yo, what's up, you want to make some money? That's not me. I will never write you trying to get you to spend some money with me. Point blank, period. Everybody who does business with me writes me because they wants to do business with me. I'm not going to write you because I need you to do business with me. Point blank, period. So any King Hussle page writes you, that's not me. Any Telegram page out there that's King Hussle this, King Hussle that, Hussle Nation this, Hussle Nation that, anything like that, that's not me. My Telegram page name is not nothing to do with King Hussle or Hussle Nation Empire. So make sure y'all take that into consideration. And also, just get a FaceTime verification call or video before you send y'all money to these people. I don't get how y'all it's not clicking. Y'all stress so much, y'all don't want to get scammed, but y'all be so thirsty to send y'all money to anybody. So just get a FaceTime verification call or video, and it won't happen. Easy as that. And before we get anything started, this is all educational purposes only. I'm not telling anybody to go do anything. So let's get to this money. Let's get to this sauce. So let's get to it. So back at it. We about to drop some more gems, about to drop some more information. Y'all know how I get down. Y'all know I love giving y'all information. Y'all know I love giving y'all websites. And disclaimer, for anybody out there who's not watching my videos straight through and not hearing the whole message that I'm giving y'all, please stop commenting on the videos because y'all really making yourself look bad. Really, really bad. Because in every video, I very clearly state, for these loans, you need to have your business in order. So you have to have a bank account, checking and savings. You got to have Paystubs. You got to have W-2s. You got to have bank statements. You got to have something going on. And if you're self-employed, I showed you guys where to get those documents. I showed you how to fill out those documents so you can be able to get approved. So anybody out there saying, oh, them cap websites or them sites not real, them loan sites, you just aren't in a position. Your mind isn't mature enough to really understand what's going on out here in the world. So of course you're not going to think that. Of course you're going to think these are literally fake sites that's copyrighted to 2023 at the bottom, which clearly states these are real sites, not mine. These are financial lenders. All that. These are not my sites. So anybody out there that's not mature enough, that common sense hasn't clicked in their head that, okay, he's explaining how to do all this in every videos. Maybe something, everybody isn't going to get approved. I told y'all that too. So please, 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 it's 2023. It's time to mature your brain. It's time to boss up and understand what's going on out here. If you're not getting approved, then there's something not right. So back to it. So today I'm going to be talking about AMP1 Trusted Financial Solutions. And yes, it's another loan place. It's another loan place that's working with bad credit. It's another lender that's working with people who need second chance. And like I said, before you go to try to go fill out these applications for these loans, get your business together. Stop being so thirsty and think, oh, I'm going to go apply for this bad credit second chance loan and I'm going to get approved. No, you're not. Get your business together so when you go approved and they go to look and it looks good, then you might get approved. So take that in consideration too. So boom, today we're going to talk about M1 Trusted Financial Solutions, bad credit, up to $50,000, $20,000, $35,000, whatever you can get approved for. They're going to link you with certain lenders. You're going to fill out the application. Once you fill out the application, they're going to take the information that you get given them. They're going to link you with different lenders that'll work best with your profile, and you go from there, point blank, period. So That's how you get approved. I'm gonna show you where to go to get your pay stubs, your W-2s, your 1099s, all that. So let's get into it. M1 Trusted Financial Solutions. All right, M1 Trusted Financial Solutions rates from 3.99 APR. All right. So basically, right here, what is the purpose for your loan? We got debt cancellation, pay off credit cards, home improvement, business, auto, emergency. You know, the everyday funds everybody need. You got taxes, household expenses, special event expenses, boat, RV, vacation, major purchase, baby adoption, motorcycle, medical, dental, moving and relocation, student loan refinance. Other. Alright, so these are some reasons why you can get the loan, what you can get approved for the loan for, right? So find a personal loan in 4 easy steps. Fill out our simple form. Get matched with lending partners. So number 2 is telling you will get matched with lending partners that works with your profile, with the information you gave them on this form right here. They're matching with the lending partners. They're partnered with different lenders. Compare and choose the best loan for you. So once you get matched with the lending partners, all of them will give you loan offers and you pick which one works best for you. Loan constellations will help you understand your options. All right, so they literally break down the loans for you. Our lenders serve consumers across the credit spectrum. You do not need to have perfect credit to get a personal loan. So instead of going from lender to lender to find something that you qualify for, just let us help you explore all the options at once and find the best offers for you. So 300 to 850 they work with. Find a personal loan. You can find a loan on our site and get up to $50,000 with rates from 3.99 APR. And instead of waiting on a long, tedious process, you can get the funds in as little as 1 day from approval. All right, so find my rate. What can you use for personal loan? We already went through that, so it gives you examples down here. Like I said, bow. Here you go, right here. $20,000 loan for 5-year term at 7.39 interest rate within a 3% orientation fee. You will receive $19,400, $20,000 less than 600 orientation fee, and you will make 60 monthly payments of approximately $399.71, which equates to an APR of 8.68. The total cost of the loan will be $23,982. So you'll be paying back roughly $24,000. All right, and that's for people who want to get a $20,000 loan. And that's just, and this is AM1 is the place you go that'll link you with different lenders that they work with. They're not the lender; they work with certain lenders. So it's like when you go to these staffing companies and you want to get a staffing job, you go there and they just send you to all different type of places to get your job. That's what this is. That's what all these are. Some of these are. They are companies that will send you different places that'll work best for you, for what the information you get on, right? So in order to do all that, we're gonna go here, right? So people will be needing certain things like pay stubs, invoices, W-2 forms, 1099 forms, right? Y'all be needing these, right? To do everything that you need, right? So boom. In the next video I'm gonna show y'all how to like do a pay stub and do all this type of stuff like this. So y'all can, do what y'all need to do if you're self-employed. But these are where you need to go to start getting the pay stubs, W-2 forms, and then like I told y'all before, ADP. We all know about ADP. I told y'all about ADP. Already coming, ADP. Payroll provider. Boom. That'll help you set all that up. Copyright. So boom. M1 financial trusted financial solutions. Before you fill out your loan, make sure you got all this. Make sure you got your pay stub, your invoices, your W-2s, your 1099s, all this. So once they they tell you to turn it in, you already got it. Bada bing, bada boom. You good. All right. So let's talk about it. So let's talk about it. Like I told you guys before, make sure you got your business together. Stop thinking somebody gonna give you a loan and you just ain't got nothing going on. It's not gonna happen. So stop getting mad when you don't get approved. And maybe you won't get approved if you do got something going on. It's okay. There's other places where you can go to apply for a loan. There's other ways for you to make money without needing a loan. And that's why I'm here, to give you the opportunity, to give you guys the sauce, give you guys ways, give you guys the knowledge how to do that. Because like I said, I want to see everybody win. I want to see everybody happy. I want to see everybody making money and putting that money towards something that they really believe in, an investment, and making multi-millions with it. Point blank period. It's enough money every day. It's enough money being made. They print money every day. So it's enough money out here for everybody. So let's talk about it. Boom. Get your business together. Make sure you got a checking account, personal and savings. Make sure you had that account open for some while. Make sure you got some money coming in and coming out. Make sure if you got a job, a real job, you're getting direct deposited. If you don't have a job, make sure you're going to put some money in every week, a couple $100. Boom, now you're going to see transactions, money going in, less money coming out. Wow. So now the bank going to be able to see that. And, PDF filler, you can edit bank statements if you need to. I'm not telling anybody to do that, but, boom. So, now you got your pay stubs. If you're self-employed, here go your pay stubs right here. If you have a job, you already got your pay stubs. If you need a W-2, boom, here go your W-2. If you already got your W-2 or a real job, you already got your W-2. See, now that you see how all this plays out, when it looks better when you're trying to get that loan, that bad credit second chance loan that you guys need to get, it looks better and it sounds better, right? So, boom, let's take it even a step farther. Let's start adding some trade lines to your credit before you even go apply for these loans. So now that when you try to apply for these loans, your credit will be even better. And I told you guys how to do that. But these next a couple videos, I'm gonna do it step by step and show you guys how to really, do all that and get approved for a loan. That's what I do. I get a thrive out of people saying, yo, King Hussle, you really helped me. Yo, King Hussle, that information that you gave me really helped me get this loan, or I really made this amount of money. Because at the end of the day, when people really out here making this money, they not worried about going on social media. It's only people who go on social media and flash money like that is people who never had money, or people who not used to have money, or people who just have an immature mind. Because when you grow up and you start to realize how real life is, you're not going to be just want to flash money all day, every day. Point blank, period. We not flashing money. We flashing investments. We flashing assets. We flashing things that's making us more money. Why flash that money when I can flash this business that is going to make me 10 times more than what you flashing? Behind the scenes is real. Everybody is... with this perception game, because you see somebody flashing money, you think they just made that every play. No. Wake up and smell the juice. That's what I'm trying to get y'all to do, so y'all can start really putting yourself in a position to win. Get these mansions, these yachts, these cars, these lands, these acres, these businesses. That's what matters. Generational wealth. Making sure your kids, your family is in a position to be something, to do something, to stop having to struggle. Break the curse of your family being broke. That's what I focus on. I don't focus on this type of stuff. This is the brand. I want people to understand that's the brand. I don't care about that type of stuff. I care about investing and making money while I'm asleep, passive income. So that's why I do these videos. That's why I give you guys this sauce. If your mind isn't mature enough to comprehend the things that I'm saying, it's okay, because sooner or later you will. And you understand, like, man, I was tripping. King Hussle been trying to put me on credit, because every time I go somewhere, they always check up for my credit. Man, knowledge is power. If I want to learn how to build that, I got to learn how to build my real personal credit first. So when I learn how to build my real personal credit, when I go try to build that, it'll be a piece of cake. That's what I try to teach you guys. And we're going to keep going. We're going to keep dropping these videos. We're going to keep dropping this sauce forever and ever until the world learns about credit, how to make passive income, how to invest, how to get loans, credit cards, lines of credit, all that good stuff, how to make billions and millions off these businesses, entrepreneurs. and we gonna keep it pushing. Generational wealth. I'm gonna make sure my next generation and their generation preach and teach the exact same thing. Point blank period. So go get you $20,000. Before you go get you that $20,000 bad loan, get your business together. Go add them trade lines to get your credit a little boosted up. Then go get them pay stubs and all that, or get your job together. Then go fill out the loan and watch how fast you get approved for that loan. It's your boy King Hussle. Shout out to all my real King Hussle fans. Shout out to all my real King Hussle supporters. Y'all motivate me to keep going. Without y'all, there'd be no me. Y'all motivate me to keep dropping this sauce, this free information, this free game. But once you contact me on my social media platforms, be ready to handle business. I don't give free game. This is the only free game I give. Once you contact me on my IG or any platform, be ready to handle business. Be ready to get your lessons. Be payment ready, and let's handle real business. A lot of people want to hee and ha have their hand out. A lot of people make comments and hate, but be the same people in my inbox asking for help, trying to get a free handout. It's a lot of people that get mad when they get nothing for free. Listen, stop all that. Because all y'all grown, we all grown. Let's be young man and young woman, mature, and let's handle business. I'm not asking nobody to do nothing, but once you write me, I didn't ask you to write me. This is my business. This is what I do for you guys. This is what I do to make sure other people can be in the same position as me. Because it took me a while to get my credit together. And now I know the tricks of the trade of what to do. So if I know how to help you to make your credit get better faster, or for you to get loans faster or anything, pay attention. If I can help you make $10,000 100 times, which is $1 million, pay attention. Really pay attention. For real. Because you might be the one out your group of friends that everybody want to look up to, because now you making money because you paid attention to King Hussle. Hey, I'll see y'all next video. Next video, I'm dropping sauce on how to fill out bank statements and pay stubs and all that good stuff like that, so you can understand. So a lot of people, we need that for jobs and homes and stuff like that. So make sure y'all tap in. It's your boy King Hussle. Man, I've been going a long time with this video. Still looking for content creators, models, rappers, actors, producers for the production company. Tap in with me. Let's make this money. It's your boy King Hussle. See you next video. Peace.